one, now I'm thinking about Ori. I had to get on my knees, they just don't know that I'm sorry. No more listen every time Papa talk to me, he say I need to slow down before I get put in the coffin. My cousin Bree, she keep it real, and she say that she gon' pray for me, but I just know that she scared for me, I gotta listen cause they just tryna help me without my heart, so I love them because I know that they care for me. We stuck together, nigga, that's how we came up. Before young boy been there, ain't nobody won't fuck with us. Delicia told me she proud that I'm coming up. I can do nothing but smile about the fact it was coming from her. Thinking about Star, I can't get caught up loving her, even though that I'm fucking her. Gotta watch how I fuck her. No, I can't put my trust in her. I can't trust nobody I could depend on but myself, cause I got me. All it been, no, he got me. Right or wrong behind my gang, I'ma still catch a body. People speak up on some shit and they don't know nothing about it. I'm just trying to live a life, do a show, rock the party. Press about how I started, we wasn't meant to be, it is what it is. And it hurt me so bad, I swear I won't shed a tear. Nigga play with my cousin, I bet he won't play again. People faker than the bitch, that's why I cut off my friends.
Yeah, that's my brother. So if you crossing him, you crossing me. Fuck all these hoes, please get them off of me. We from the gutter, every night we ain't baloney me. Bitch, watch your tone, cause ain't no hoe in me. They say I'm greedy, when I be only tryna feed the team. Somebody tell me who been feeding me. No, I ain't easy, take all these drugs like I might OD. Game ain't the same, I miss the old streets. Man, I miss the old streets. These niggas lame, they gotta show me. They know my name, but they don't know me. Got all this pain, somebody hold me, yeah. So now I ball like Kobe, yeah. These niggas be so phony, yeah. They wanna be my homie, yeah. But I've been grinding by my lonely, yeah. Cold winners, cold killers, and cold dinners. My granny tripping, her grandson the dope dealer. My hoe tripping, no pics, it's just business. Stop bitching, get out your feelings, just roll with it. It's all sickening, the bills hitting, my mom's missing. Pots flipping, the time's ticking, the day shifting. I can't fix it, move with it, just groove with it. Too smooth with it, I kept praying, I'm God's gifted. Yeah, never change on my brothers, I'm not switching. Better not hang with no others, we not with it. All the ops taking cover, got caught slipping. Go spin they block with them cutters, we not missing. Man, I miss the old streets. These niggas lame, they